In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the Z key pie menu. This is a simple but powerful shortcut that lets you switch how your scene is displayed in the 3D viewport instantly. If you've ever found yourself moving your cursor up to the shading icons again and again, this will save you a ton of time and keep your focus where it belongs on your model. Here's how it works. With your cursor over the 3D viewport, press the Z key. That brings up the shading pie menu right under your cursor. It's a circular menu that fans out 4 choices. From here, you choose between wireframe, solid, material preview, or rendered. The pie menu is designed for speed. After pressing Z, simply move your mouse toward the mode you want and click, or press and hold Z, flick toward the option and release. Once you get used to that quick gesture, it becomes second nature. Let's quickly talk about what each mode is best for so you can pick the right one without thinking. Wireframe shows the underlying structure of your objects, making it perfect for seeing through geometry, selecting components inside a mesh, and checking overall topology. Solid gives you a clean, fast view with basic lighting that's ideal for general modeling and navigation. Material preview lets you see materials, textures, and lighting without committing to a full render, which is incredibly helpful when you're dialing in look and feel. Finally, rendered shows you the final lighting and materials as calculated by your render engine. It's the most accurate view, but it can be heavier on performance. Pressing Z and choosing one of these 4 is the fastest way to switch shading modes because your hand never leaves the keyboard and your mouse never leaves the work area. It reduces travel time, cuts down on clicks, and helps build a smooth rhythm as you model, texture, or light. A couple of tips as you use it. Make sure your cursor is over the 3D viewport when you press Z so the shading pie appears where you're working. If the menu doesn't show up, you may be hovering a different editor. Also, remember that rendered mode depends on your scene and renderer. It can be demanding, so switch to it when you need visual confirmation, then pop back to solid or material preview for speed. That's all there is to it. Press Z, pick wireframe, solid, material preview, or rendered, and keep creating without breaking flow. This tiny shortcut adds up to big efficiency over time.